you doing, everybody? It's your health and fitness specialist, Kelly Brown. I've been requested by a lot of different people to do a video on what I eat in a day. I'm going to try to do my best today and, chop this video up, and I'm recording on my phone, so if it sounds decent, then hopefully it turns out good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and record all my meals that I eat today, and also give you the sequence of when I'm eating them so that you know why I might have had this at this time or why I had this at this time. I'll probably have to fill in a little bit of gaps with doing like a second video because I don't eat the same thing every single day. Like I might have my breakfast might be similar every day, but my lunch I might alternate. My dinners I might alternate. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'll make today's video and then I'll give you kind of an idea on what I'm doing for this day, but then next week I'll do another vlog similar to this one, and then I'll give another day, like, alternate day, part 2 or something like that, or part 3, however I'm doing. I'm not one of those guys that just sits down and just be eating all day. I actually don't like to eat, so I'm very meticulous about what I'm gonna put in my mouth at all times of the day. So let me show you what my body's looking like first, and we'll get on the scale, see where I'm at today. And I also got some family in town, so when I show you my refrigerator and my cabinets, you'll know that all of that stuff isn't mine, but I'll show you what is mine. All right, so here goes the body. I'm looking all right today. Not too far off. My waist is looking good still. Let's see that. Let's go ahead and let me hop on the scale next. All right, let's see. I'm thinking last night I was like 198, so I'll probably be like 194, 195 this morning, maybe 196, 197 and a half. All right, but 197. All right, so I always start off first with cereal. This isn't mine. This is mine. Wild berry Cheerios. I get Cheerios sometimes because they're gluten-free and they're real light, you know what I'm saying, and not too much sugary stuff in it. And then I'll have Rice Krispies. Again, plain, nothing in them, Cheerios, blueberry, and then what I'll do is I'll add marshmallows to my cereal too. Right? I tend to add a lot of marshmallows because I like to have some type of colors in my stuff and different flavors. I don't like for it to just be plain cereal. So almond milk. So this would be what I'm using. I use the 80 calorie one. You know what I'm saying? I get vanilla, so I try to get as many calories as I can in all my foods, so I don't have to have that much stuff. So I don't get anything low sodium or no low calorie stuff. I try and get all my stuff in. All right. My first meal of the day is always cereal. That's how I started off. Milk, cereal, and I'll top it off with marshmallows. And then I'll probably go do my workout after this. So this will be my meal 1, and then I'll show y'all what I do next. Okay, so now I'm back in my room getting ready to make a Litecoin trade. I've been trading Litecoin and Bitcoin for a couple months now, man, on Forex. And some months I could do good, and then sometimes I do bad, but I've been getting better at risk management. And so now it's turning into not about how much money I can make, it's how much money I can keep and how to keep it at a consistent basis until I can start getting real comfortable making money every single day. But as you can see, so I got the charts open now, waiting for something to shake. I just got an order for some more containers. Somebody ordered a small and a large, so I'm gonna get into my containers and go into my boxes, bust them down, and get ready for shipment. After I ship these out, I'll probably run to the store or package them up, but then I'm gonna eat some more, and I'll show you my snacks. So snacks are next, because around this time, after I just had my first meal, I like to have something in between. I might go to working out next, I might not, I'll figure it out. The key is, though, is just my goal for every day is to eat 4 meals. You know what I'm saying? I try to really eat 4 times a day. And so um, I'm gonna always eat more. Like I'm gonna have other little snacks like fruits and vegetables in between and stuff like that. But I try to get in like 4 solid meals a day, with cereal being my first ones. And then I'm gonna really have a real breakfast, and then I'll have a snack, some fruit or something like that later on, some nuts or something like that. And then I'll have a lunch, and then I'll have another snack or something like that, and then I'll have my dinner. You know what I'm saying? And then maybe another snack, some ice cream after that. So you'll see in a second though. All right. All right, so now meal number one, which is really just breakfast after that other breakfast, is gonna be gluten-free waffles, apple cinnamon, and I use cooking spray, extra virgin olive oil. I'll probably eat a whole bunch of strawberries, and then I'm gonna eat egg whites as well. So I'll show you how I put it together real quick. I don't know how much I'm putting in there, but I just measure till it feels right. And I'll let them cook. And I'll put my waffles in the toaster once they're ready. And that's that. Okay, so here we go. We got my egg whites, we got my waffles, and we got about 10, 11 strawberries, and also some maple syrup, pure maple syrup. So I'm gonna do that. And I'll probably drink a big cup of water to go along with this, and that's my breakfast. Sometimes I'll swap out the fruits, and I'll have like bananas and something like that instead, and I'll eat them with the waffles. Okay, the third meal I'm about to have peanut butter and jelly. Got back from dropping off my packages at the post office. Got back, got in a Litecoin trade, made $10. I'm in another one right now, in the positive. Hopefully that one stays good too. And then I'm getting ready to eat right now, which is my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I had that breakfast earlier. I had my first breakfast, which was the cereal. Then I had my breakfast, which was the egg whites, and the gluten-free waffles and the syrup and all that stuff. And now I'm getting ready to have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a good old-fashioned peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right, so I'm about to have meal number 3. Just gonna have 2 slices of this gluten-free bread here. Let's see. 70 calories per slice, so I just have 2 slices. And then I'm gonna have some of this peanut butter. It's 100% natural peanut butter, and I always get crunchy. 8 grams of protein, and I'm gonna have a big fat nasty scoop of it, which you'll see in a second. And then I just get regular grape jelly. Sometimes if I could find natural, I will, but if I can't, then I just get the regular one. And I'm gonna just make 1 sandwich. I don't need 2. I could eat 2, but I'm gonna just make 1 because I'm gonna probably eat again later. But then after that, I'm probably gonna have a little snack. Got some cinnamon donut holes. I might eat a couple of these. I might have a piece of fruit, or I might have a banana, or I might have applesauce. I also eat a lot of applesauce, as you can see here. I said all this stuff is fine, but I tend to eat a lot of applesauce, so I might just have one of these afterwards. And there you go, so you can see the nutrition facts on stuff like that. But I'll just run through 1 or 2 of these a day, and then that's that for my snacks. All right, now this is the dinner, and the dinner, we're just doing Beyond Meat sausages, the hot Italian ones. I'm gonna put a sweet potato in the in my toaster oven. It'll probably take like an hour and 45 minutes to make. It's already late, but I'm still gonna be up anyway. I'm gonna have a pepper, another pepper, and I'll probably have an avocado, and I'm gonna slice up some onions too. The reason I like to have avocados is because it's so dense and they hold a lot of calories just inside of 1 small avocado. So you can get a bunch of calories just in an avocado. Also, another key trick I like to do is using olive oil, and olive oil gives you a lot of calories too. So my thing is, I'm always trying to squeeze in calories any way I can just to keep that weight on. and so you'll see me having, you know, certain things in here. And as far as seasoning is concerned, you know, I still got everything, you know, like Old Bay. You gotta have your Old Bay. I just ran through this one, peppers and, you know, soy sauce. Everything I usually have is gluten free. I got sesame seed oil back here. Most of my stuff is gluten free. Not a lot of crazy, you know, crazy stuff. Salt. I probably got some Cajun, Caribbean seasonings and stuff like that back there, just in case. Jerk seasoning, but nothing too crazy though. All right, I'll show y'all what it looks like when I get started. Give me a second. All right, now I got the sausages cooked and ready to go. I'm gonna use another piece of toast and another 2 pieces of toast. Put them back in here, and I'm gonna make my little sausage, Italian sausage with stuff on it, with vegetables. And also, I'm gonna be using barbecue sauce. I forgot to add that. I'm trying to give y'all everything that I'm having. So barbecue sauce. I just try any barbecue sauce that's in a glass bottle. I like it. And this one happens to be gluten free, so that's great as well. I got this from Sprouts. I also use baby water. So I use this one as Parents' Choice. I get this one from Walmart. The reason I use it is because there's no fluoride added. So it has minerals added, whatever like that, but it's not supposed to have any fluoride in it. So that's the only reason I use this one. But other than that, that's it. And I try to drink at least half of this if I can, or 1 full one a day. And I just use my Nets cup. So however much this is, I fill this up maybe 2, 3, 4 times a day, and I just bang these out all day long. Okay, it's the last thing I'm gonna eat. I just got this sweet potato. I'm gonna use some ground cinnamon, and I'll probably put some marshmallows on here too. So check that out real quick. Help my sweet tooth. Some marshmallows in there. Sometimes I add butter, but you know, I don't really eat tonight. Should be alright. This is just a midnight snack. Anyway, as you can see, it's my late night right now. It's 12:19 at night. So I just happen to still be up, and I normally just try and get it in. And that's my last meal of the day. But I hope you learned something. So stick around for part 2.